Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in analyzing and managing traffic flow in various areas. In Gurgaon, specifically in Sector 29, the need for traffic surveyors is significant due to the high volume of vehicles and pedestrians. These surveyors are responsible for collecting data on traffic patterns, such as the number of vehicles passing through certain intersections, peak hours of traffic, and the average speed of vehicles. This information is then used to design effective traffic management strategies and infrastructure improvements. One of the prominent firms offering traffic surveyor services in Gurgaon's Sector 29 is SCON Design. SCON Design is a well-established company known for its expertise in traffic management and transportation planning. With their experienced team of professionals, they provide comprehensive traffic survey solutions tailored to the specific needs of the area. By conducting detailed traffic surveys, SCON Design helps identify key issues and challenges in Sector 29's traffic flow. They utilize advanced technologies such as video surveillance, automatic vehicle counting systems, and DGP striking to gather accurate data. This data is then analyzed to determine the causes of congestion, identify accident-prone areas, and assess the effectiveness of existing traffic management measures. Based on their findings, SCON Design develops customized solutions to improve traffic conditions in Sector 29. These solutions may include the implementation of intelligent traffic signal systems, road widening projects, pedestrian-friendly infrastructure, and improved signage. By incorporating innovative design and engineering strategies, they aim to create a safer and more efficient transportation network in the area. The expertise of SCON Design's traffic surveyors extends beyond data collection and analysis. In order to analyze and manage traffic flow in various locations, traffic surveyors are essential. The enormous volume of traffic, particularly in Sector 29 in Gurgaon, necessitates the hiring of traffic surveyors. These surveyors are in charge of gathering information on traffic patterns, including the volume of traffic during various times of day and the average speed of moving vehicles. The creation of efficient traffic management plans and infrastructure upgrades is then based on this information. SCON Design is one of the well-known businesses in Sector 29 in Gurgaon that provides traffic surveyor services. A reputable business with a solid reputation in traffic management and transportation planning is SCON Design. They offer thorough traffic survey solutions that are adapted to the region's unique needs, thanks to their qualified staff of experts. SCON Design assists in identifying the major problems and difficulties with the traffic flow in Sector 29 by performing thorough traffic surveys. To collect precise statistics, they make use of cutting-edge technologies like DGP monitoring, automatic car counting systems, and video surveillance. The reasons of traffic congestion, places that are vulnerable to accidents, and the efficacy of current traffic management strategies are all determined by